came through a horrible squall. I will not lie, it wasn't fun. It was scary. And we found this little cove where the tide is going out. We set the boat down in it. But fishermen just got done cleaning their fish here. And now we are watching the birds fight. There was pelicans over there having a feast. It's kind of a great big black vulture. I'm not sure what they are. Anyway, these seagulls are funny and annoying. And Bruce is inside trying to sleep because his distraught wife stressed him out. He needs a break. But first we decorated a Christmas tree, and I'll show you. There it is. Cute little thing. We put little seashells all over it. And a starfish on the top. And we had hot chocolate and popcorn. And now he's trying to sleep. So I'll turn this thing off.
All right. So this is Christmas morning. We had one of the roughest nights Christmas Eve that we've experienced. Kind of ironic. We got into really stormy weather. Winds just about 50 miles an hour. And even back here in this bay, we were seeing it with these mountains and stuff all surrounding us. We were seeing a little lopsided this morning. The tide's coming in. We're just about ready. We're hoping we can push out. And while the weather is nice, we want to just go ahead, not take any chances, and get out of here. And maybe even head home today. Plan was to leave the day after Christmas, but we've experienced some pretty rough weather that's kind of, shall we say, taken the wind out of our sails. And at the same time, it's been outrageously beautiful, but nature can be pretty roughish sometimes when it storms. Alright, we got the hammer down, and we're headed straight for Bahia de Los Angeles Christmas morning. We miss our kids so terrible, we're just going to go ahead and head home early. Plus we're a little bit nervous with the weather that we've been having. Running around 15 mile an hour, water temperature about 63, 180 feet of water. And got the autopilot running right now. It does pretty good in calm conditions. It does terrible and rough. And this is pretty much the first day where there's basically not hardly a single cloud in the sky. So, just came from Don Juan Cove back there, went by several islands. And of course there's a lot more islands over that way. And in the background is the huge island that we went to for several days. If we could have had weather like today, every day, this trip would have been beyond my wildest dreams. As it was, about half of the trip was really gnarly weather and kind of tested our mettle from time to time, but we did have basically several days over on the big island in that real pretty cove that was just made the whole trip worthwhile. Anyway, wind's only several mile an hour right now, fairly calm conditions. We're gonna hope we can get our boat safely put back on its trailer. Well, where are we? I don't know. We're on a toll road just north of Ensenada, headed toward Tijuana. Don't know where we're going to go through the border. Oh, a little yacht club over here. Sailboats and motorboats. It's nice. Anyway,
Kind of bumpy.
lovely, lovely road compared to what we have been on. Pacific Ocean out there, rolling away. Looks pretty nice and docile out there. By Pacific Ocean standards. So we are on a toll road. It is the most amazing toll road that I've been on. There's been mudslides on it. There's garbage, people walking across from one side of the highway to the other, people walking along it, buses stopping, picking up people, letting people off, all along the toll road. This is Tecate here. We've passed probably about half of the town or something by now.
I'll take it from you.
Anyway. Just amazing. Alright, so this is just kind of a little clip of a conclusion to the videos of our sailing trip to the Sea of Cortez in Mexico. Now the date and time on the camera is correct, and just got the boat out after sitting here all dirty for several months after our trip and got it washed, cleaned up. We anticipate making some more videos regards to sailing, and it'll probably be on Lake Ponderay out of Sandpoint. And hope you've enjoyed the videos that we put out so far, and we hope to do a few more.